Are you someone who is suffering from tennis elbow or else elbow pain? Then in this video, I'm going to share with you the fastest way to get out of your tennis elbow. Let's get started. Friends, tennis elbow is a condition which in medical term is called as lateral epicondylitis, which means inflammation on your lateral side or outer side of your elbow region. This is the place where majority of your forearm muscles originates, and due to repeated use of hand, the tendons which are present there gets inflamed, and this inflammation leads to pain or elbow pain. Majority of time, a person who is having tennis elbow will experience pain in the forehand region, around the fingers, at the same time on the elbow region, which will be mild aching type, and sometimes it could be very severe and can feel like a poking pain due to this inflammation. It is named as tennis elbow, the reason being it's very common among tennis players due to repeated action of forceful extending of your forearm region. So, if you want to get rid of it, then here are the strategies that you should follow. Strategy number 1, give icing to this area. Yes, whenever there is an inflammation, ice pack application helps to reduce the inflammation on that area. So, make sure to do icing 2 to 3 times in a day on the area where you feel pain in order to achieve faster recovery. The second thing that you should do in order to get faster relief from your tennis elbow is protect your tendon which is getting inflamed from being irritated and moved. In order to do that, you need to use a tennis elbow strap. Tennis elbow strap are nothing but belt which you can wear around your elbow region, which will prevent the irritation and movement of these muscles which are getting irritated and will reduce your pain. The third step in order to get faster recovery from your tennis elbow is use of a device which is called as ultrasound. Now you can go to a physiotherapy center and get an ultrasound therapy for yourself, or else you can buy it from a company called as UltraCare Pro, where you can buy this product for yourself and use it at your convenience. Ultrasound majorly works in a way where the gel penetrates deeper along with the sound waves. These sound waves vibrates internally, causes heating effect and micromassaging effect, thus reducing the inflammation by providing new blood supply. So, ultrasound is one of the best and easiest way and the fastest way to give relief from your tennis elbow pain. The next thing is avoiding activities that are triggering your pain. Definitely, whenever you will do the motion of extreme extension of your elbow, whenever you will lift your wrist up and down, whenever you will move your wrist side to side, or else whenever you will extend your finger, that's where the tendon will get irritated and you will have pain. So, you need to first identify which all are the movements which are causing this irritation. You need to halt that movement for few days so that healing happens and you will feel better recovery from your tennis elbow. Last but not the least is exercises. Yes, exercises are very critical when it comes to tennis elbow rehabilitation. Now, I will never recommend you to start your strengthening exercises from day 1. Make sure this is an inflammation, this is an injury. It will take its own time for healing. So, you need to give rest to that particular group of muscles and tendons. Having said that, there is no reason why you should not exercise for the other areas around your joint, which means your neck, your shoulder, wrist and fingers. Yes, you should continue exercising for these areas so that stiffness doesn't develop, and this will also create small mobility around the tendon, which will improve blood circulation, which will prevent stiffness in your elbow region and will allow you to recover from tennis elbow. Some few simple exercises that you can do while you are recovering from tennis elbow is shoulder shrugs, which is up and down, rotation of your shoulders clockwise and then anti-clockwise. Then moving of your shoulders up and down, rotating your shoulders side to side, moving your wrist up and down with support, moving your fingers and rotating your hand in pain-free range. When you do this mild exercise just for 5 repetitions, not more than that, once in a day what you are doing is you are keeping your structures which are injured mobile. You are preventing stiffness. You are preventing irritation of that area which is inflamed and making sure that you recover from your tennis elbow faster. Having said that, this is just tip of the iceberg. There is a lot more lifestyle factors, lifestyle modifications that you need to do in order to ensure that you get out of the tennis elbow, at the same time prevent tennis elbow as well. If you feel that you need further help, you can reach out to us or else join our community where we conduct regular workshops and webinars where you can come join us and ask your health related questions. The link to this community is mentioned in the description box below, so make sure to join and I'll see you there. Thank you.